Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. This is complete demo of distributed privacy preserving access control in sensor network. The owner and users of a sensor network may be different, which necessitates privacy preserving access control. On the one hand, the network owner need enforce strict access control so that the sensed data are only accessible to users willing to pay. On the other hand, users wish to protect their respective data access patterns whose disclosure may be used against their interest. This paper presents distributed privacy preserving access control scheme for sensor network, which is the first work for its kind. Users in distributed privacy preserving access control purchase their tokens from the network owner, whereby to query data from sensor node, which will reply only after validating the tokens. The use of blind signature in token generation ensures that tokens are publicly verifiable yet unlikable to user identities, so privacy preserving access control is achieved. A central component in distributed privacy preserving access control is to prevent malicious users from the reusing tokens, for which we propose a suite of distributed token reuse reduction schemes without involving the base station. These schemes share the essential idea that the sensor node checks with some other nodes whether a token has been used, but they differ in how the witnesses are chosen, with thoroughly compatible performance with regard to TRT compatibility, communication overhead, storage overhead, and attack resilience. This is complete flow of distributed privacy preserving in wireless sensor networks. Here, first user going to send a request to the owner. In the request, he sends the IP and some personal information. Owner receives the request from the user. After receiving the request, he performs the validation. If it is valid, then generate the token to the users. Here validation means he is paid amount or not. Then generate the token. The token is sent to the user. After generating the token, the owner sends the token to the third party also. Here third party receives the token and generate the signature for the user. After receiving the token, the user send a request to the third party. Third party receives the token from the user and generate the signature for the received token. If the received token is valid, then give the permission to access the network. Otherwise, is not going to give the permission. And also, third party performs the validation first. This is the fresh token or reused. If it is already used, here permission is denied because some hackers can enter into the network. Here it is blocked by reuse reduction. This is flow of project. This is complete demo of a distributed privacy preserving in wireless sensor network. First, here user is going to send the request to owner. For that, disorder fields are sent to the owner. Mail ID, and IP address are input are given into the owner, sent to the owner. Owner is ready to receive the data from the user. The data are sent to the owners. owner is going to generate the token for the request given by the user Parimala. This token is distributed to the third party server. For that token, corresponding signature is generated. This is also distributed and then is sent to the third party server. Third party is going to receive the signature. This is the token and the signature for the corresponding token. Signature is sent to the third party server. Now user can send the request to third party server. These are the information given as input to owner. This is sent to third party server. Third party server is going to receive data from the user and then perform the received token is correct or not. Is correct. Is not a reused token, is a fresh token, so you can permit the user to access the data from wireless sensor network. This is complete demo of a project. Thank you for watching.